Okay, so let me show a practical way of giving comments, like a single line comments or multi-line comments in Anaconda Navigator. Any editor you take. Okay, so I'm taking VS Code only. I'm taking a VS Code and save it as. Let me take desktop and I'll create a new folder. Let me give. Okay, some folder I'm taking 7 a.m. Python, whatever it may be. And here I'm just giving like a comments.py. Yes. Okay, so first of all, I'm writing some code. Okay, print. I'm trying to writing a print comment. Hello Python. And one more print I'm writing. Python is used for build data science projects. Okay, so I want to comment these two lines, for example. I want to comment like this. Okay, or you can do one thing. This two lines of the code basically regarding to the print function. Print function code below. Okay, I want to write one more thing. Addition program, for example. Addition program. For addition program, I'm writing the code. X is equal to 10, Y is equal to 20, and Z is equal to X plus Y. I'm writing a few lines of the code, and finally, I want to get a addition value. Okay, addition value is comma addition. Oh, sorry, Z. Z is the value. Okay. And this particular section of the code according to the print function. This section of the code according to the addition program. Okay, after that I have two more prints. For example, I'm having a print hello and one more print hello all. But I don't want to execute this particular code. I don't want to execute this particular code. Just you select all the code, or you can give the triple single code here and close the triple single code. This is actually called a multi-line comment. This is recording to the Python multi-line comments. And you can write Python multi-line comments in another way also. What is another way? Triple double quotes also you can use. Triple double quotes also you can use it. So I'm trying to providing triple double quotes also for multi-line comments. Triple single quote you can use, and triple double quote also you can use for multi-line comments. So whatever the commented code that will not coming to the output, that will not come to the output. Now run the program. If run the program, only few lines of the code will execute. Only hello Python and Python used for build data science projects, and addition value is 30. But what about the below ones? This code will not execute. This code will not execute. This is actually related to Python comments practical program. So please like, share, subscribe my channel for more and more videos. Okay. So without subscription, you cannot able to see the latest updates. Please subscribe the channel, like the video.